Hello everyone. In today's episode, I'll be taking you on how I make my cooking spice at home by myself. So I'll be introducing the spice to you one by one. So we have this. I don't know the English name. This is dry scent leaf. These are some seasoning cube. Then this is dry ginger, nutmeg. This I don't know the English name, so if you know the English name, please do where to put it in the comment section with this. Then this is thyme. This is clove. This is dry Cameroon pepper. This is bay leaf. Then this, I don't know the name too, but it's very, very good. And the scent is always a wow. And this is black pepper seed. Here I have crayfish. I have 3 types of crayfish here today. This is one. Here is another one. Here is another one. Then this is salt to taste. This is onion powder, cinnamon stick, rosemary, and I have dry habanero pepper here, and I also have this pepper here. So I'll be blending everything together to make this my spice the way I want it. So come along and join me. So what I'm doing now is I have to crack this open and remove the seed inside. It's only the seed that we need, and this is what we have. When you crack it open, you have this. Then this is not useful again. I don't need this. I only need the inside. So that's I will also have to cut or use my mortar to pound this into pieces to make it very easy to blend in my blender. So let's dig into the video, guys. Let's dive inside. So I continue by breaking all my spice ingredients into smaller particles so that it will enable my blender to blend it easily. This is cinnamon stick, and this is the nutmeg, and this is that long black one, you can see, and that big black one again. Guys, anyone you know the English name, please try and put it in the comment section for me. This is the seasoning cube that I'm breaking small now. Then I will now have to fry all this one. I will roast them inside my fry pan before I will now blend all of them together. Keep watching. On a low heat, I'm heating up my pan now, and I'll be roasting all the dry ingredients here first before blending them. So what I do now is I'm heating up all my ingredients mixed together. It helps the flavor to come out well after blending. So on a very low heat. That's what you can see now. So after this, I will allow it to cool off small, then I blend into powder. Then I did not add these 4 into it because they are already in powdery form. So I will just add them when blending. So guys, here is all my ingredients now inside the blender. You can see. So now I'm going to blend them all together. So guys, see, here is the end result of our spice. You can also do this at home. You can even use this if you are in an area where you can do this as business. You can also do this. You see? So I have my spice. So anytime I want to do pepper soup, or I decide to put it inside, I want to boil meat, I want to do anything like that, this really helped me a lot in doing it. So thanks so much for joining me in this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Subscribe, follow, and leave your honest review about this in the comment section. And the other ingredients, I don't know their English name. If you happen to know the English name, don't forget to also comment it inside the comment section. Thank you. God bless. Bye.